very good morning, students. Welcome to today's English class. I am here to teach you the fourth part of the lesson, the nuclear test. In the first part of the lesson, we have learned the family background of Anjali and the angriness of Anjali. And in the second part of this lesson, we have learned the routine work of village people and how they adjusted with the nuclear family, the city people. And in the third part of this lesson, we have learned what was the routine work of Anjali's mother and how she was felt very tired with this. Now in the fourth part of this lesson, we are going to learn how the grandmother took the responsibility of kitchen and how they adjusted with these people and how Anjali understood the importance of her grandparents, how she missed her grandparents is all we will learn in the fourth part of this lesson, students. Okay, now let us begin the lesson. All of you open your textbook and open the 21st page number, last para. Okay, but now Dadi had taken over the kitchen. She actually said she was getting bored of doing nothing. Dadi was a fantastic cook. Suddenly they were being pampered with the most divine parathas and sabji, mithai and pakoras, salads and pickles. Anjali's mother could now slow down a little and rest her feet. She even had more time for her daughter. She was also immeasurably reserved that her child was in the most caring hands possible. Till one day when the grandparents announced, "We are thinking of going to Rita's place for a while." What happened, dear students? But now Dadi had taken over the kitchen. Now Dadi had taken the responsibility of the kitchen of this nuclear family. Now it becomes joint family. This family becomes joint family now because Anjali's grandparents were living in that family. So that was a joint family. Grandmother was living in that family. So she had taken the responsibility of the kitchen. She actually said she was getting bored of doing nothing. In the village, she used to do several works, so she was passing her time. But now in the city, she doesn't have any work. So she was a fantastic cook. Dadi was a fantastic cook. She knew about to prepare delicious food. So she wanted to do work in the kitchen, students. Understood? So she was preparing food for the family. Understood? Suddenly, they were being pampered with the most divine parathas and sabji. Here, see, students, pampered means comfort. They were feeling comfort with the food which was made by grandmother. Those food were very delicious and they were healthy for those people. So that's why they pampered with. They felt very comfort with these foods. Which were they? Which were the foods made by grandmother? Parathas, divine parathas. The great parathas means parathas you have eaten, I think. Paratha and sabji. With that, with parathas we will have sabji. Okay. Then mithai, sweets. Okay, and pakora, onion paratha or onion pakora, like that. You have eaten, I think. That's okay. Salads. Salads means fruits or vegetable salads and pickles. These foods, this kind of foods prepared by grandmother, which was very delicious, and the people who were living in that home, they felt pampered with this food. Okay, because at that time when her grandmother, Anjali's mother was preparing food, she only prepared sandwiches and cornflakes for breakfast. And at night she used to do the simple food for them. Okay. Now my grandmother is preparing delicious food for them. So they were feeling very happy and they felt comfort with this food. They adjusted this food. Okay. Adjusted with this food. Okay. Anjali's mother could now slow down a little and rest her feet. Now she can get the rest for herself. She can care herself now, and she even had more time for her daughter. She can care her daughter. She can check her daughter's work of school, or she can give more time for her daughter, because now grandmother had taken the responsibility of that kitchen. Understood, students? Okay. After that, she was also immeasurably reserved. Immeasurably reserved means here very certain. Agadavada Baravase in your language. In your language, that means Agadavada Baravase. She had trust on grandmother. Huh? Why? That her child was in the most caring hands possible. Huh? She was, Anjali's mother was trusting on Anjali's grandparents. They were take care, look after the grandchild very lovingly. So her Anjali's mother was trusting Anjali's grandparents. Okay, till one day when the grandparents announced, until she was trusted, she was adjusted with the grandparents. One day, what happened, students? Till one day, when the grandparents announced, they announced that we are thinking of going to Rita's place for a while. For some time, we wanted to live with our daughter Rita in Delhi. So they announced. All the people become very sad to listen the announcement of grandparents. What will happen next, students? Let us see in the next page of this lesson. Page number 22. Before anyone could say anything, Anjali burst out, "Oh, can I have my room back then? Dada, Dadi, when are you going?" See, student, is it good thing? Is it good manner, students? See what happened here? Before anyone could say anything, Anjali burst out. Burst means to say something suddenly. She said something suddenly. What she said something suddenly, students, here? "Oh, can I have my room back then?" She was a small girl. She wanted to live in her room. So she said, she was feeling very happy. "Dada and Dadi, when are you going?" She asked that, "When are you going, Dada and Dadi, from our home? Then I can get my room myself, for myself." Understood? So like this she said, but this is not good. What happened next? The silence that followed was terrible, and only Dadi had some kind and general words to fill it with. At that time, all felt very sad from these words, students. These words are not good. This can make anyone unhappy. These words can make anyone unhappy. So that I am telling you, students, think before you speak anything. Understood, students? So Anjali also should think before she speak anything. That is important. Understood? So here, the Dadi was very kind. As we know in the last part of this lesson, she filled it with the general words, with kind words. She filled the situation with her kind words, like she was a small girl, she doesn't know anything about the situation. So simply she told that. So like this she told the kind words and fill it with. Later, apart from her room, Anjali got the worst scolding she deserved. Not only she got her room, her parents scolded her for these words. That was not a good manner. So that's why her parents scolded her. She was scolded by her parents, students. Okay, which she deserved. Okay. In 2 days time, they were a nuclear family again. That was a joint family when her grandparents were living in that home. But now they went to Rita Bua's home. So this family again become a, which kind of family, students? Again become a nuclear family. Is it good now, students? No. Now what happens? See here. But it was a lonely achievement. Lonely achievement. Not good. Okay. There was no one to come home to. Okay. But the silly TV, there was none to talk to. Her mother was again overworked with no time for anything or anybody. Okay. But most of all, The noise and bustle of one big happy family had faded into silence. The house, all 850 feet of compact space planning, suddenly looked too big now. What happened, students? What were the changes again came to that home? See, students, there was no one to come home to. No one is there. Only Anjali was alone now. Her parents used to go for work. They should go for their work, for their life, to lead their life. They have to go for their jobs. Now Anjali is alone. No one brother and no one sisters are there for her. So she was alone. She was sitting at her room, in the room. Okay. Then her mother was again overworked. No one is there to help her mother. So again her mother her mother was again overworked with no time for anything or anybody. She doesn't have any time for anybody or anything. Now she can't give time for her daughter because she had more work to do. She has to get all the responsibility of the home and she has to go for an office. So this is very difficult for them. Okay, but most of all the noise and bustle of one big happy family had faded into silence. That family was, when her grandmother and grandfather was living at that home, they were speak each other. They spent time for each other. So they were whilst they were speaking each other, at that time noise obviously will be there. Okay, but now that happy family was faded into silence. That blurred, that situation, that atmosphere of that family, happy family, now faded into, blurred into silence. Now that family is very silent, and the people who are living in that family were not speaking with each other because they were having many more work for them to do. No one is there to help them. So this is very sad for means this is very unhappy situation for Anjali now. Then see, the house, all 850 feet of compact space planning, suddenly looked too big. At the time when her grandparents were living with them, with Anjali, that compartment was looking too small. Their time was passing fastly, and all those people speak to each other about the childhood days of her Anjali's parents or anything. And they speak with each other, and they were living happily with each other. So at that time, that compartment was looking very small. Now just because her grandparents were not there, again this Anjali's family become a nuclear family. Now it seems like this compartment is too big to Anjali. Okay. In the last parasite, students, what happened when the phone rang the following night? On one night, the phone rang just like they had expected it would. It was Anjali who ran and picked it up to say, "Dada and Dadi, when are you coming back?" At one following night, Dada and Dadi called them. Okay, just like they had expected. Dada and Dadi expected that their grandchild should speak with them with love. They expected love from Anjali, but she was speaking harsh words for them, which made them unhappy. So now again they were expecting, see students, they are expecting love from Anjali. It was Anjali who ran. That their expectations become true. Anjali only ran away from that place and to pick the phone and picked it up to say, and she said what she said, students, "Dada Dadi, when are you coming back?" She was missing her grandparents. That's why she said these words, students. She ran away by listening the ring of telephone, and she picked that call and she asked her grandparents that, "When are you coming? I'm feeling very bored. I'm feeling very sad about it. I'm missing you all, grandparents. you have to come and join with us. So now she understood the importance of her grandparents. In this lesson, we have learned, students, what is the advantages and disadvantages of nuclear family and the importance of joint family. The affections towards grandparent and the grandchild, students. So in our life, we have to love our parents and the grandparents because they also love us so much. Understood, students? This is all we have learned in the lesson. Now we have finished this lesson, students. Okay, thank you so much.